I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a very interesting question on transform trigonometric functions. The question here is explain how to determine the value of x that gives a maximum for a transformed function in the form f of x equals to a sine k times x minus d plus c. Well, if you have to give just one value, it's kind of simpler. What we can do is, okay, let's begin by sketching the graph of sine function first, right? Okay, and then we'll explain. So I'll just sketch a graph of sine function here, which is, let's make kind of one wave. We could extend, right? Okay, we could extend both sides. Okay, that's fine. So sine function will have maximum at 90 degrees. This is for sine x, is it okay? Not transform function. This is the parent function. Then again it will be repeated. So it'll be, the time period is 2 pi or 360 degrees, correct? So this one will be 360 degrees plus 90 degrees. And again it will be repeated, so it should be 360 times n, right, plus 90 degrees. So we could write this as n in general, right? So the maximums will be 90 degrees or plus minus 360 degrees, and their multiples, correct, like this. Now if it is a transformed function, then where is going to be this maximum? And of course, the maximum value in this case will be in 1. For the transfer function, vertical stretch of A and plus C will make this value as 1 times A plus C, right? So we can write here that the maximum value will be A plus C, right? That is the maximum value of the function. But the question is, explain how to determine the value of x. We want to find the value of x, not just a y value. But when will it be A plus C? So at what value of x? To find this, what we can do is, we can equate k times x minus d to 90 degrees, for example, right? And solve for x. So this is when we're just talking about one wave. So from here to here, one wave, not a general solution, okay? So then you solve for x, you could say x minus d equals to 90 divided by k, and x is equals to 90 divided by k plus d. That makes sense from transformation point of view. It is horizontally compressed by a factor of 1 over k, right? So you get multiplied by 1 over k, and it moves d unit to the right, plus d. 90 degrees to start with, right? So that could be one point. So we should say, well, it could have maximum at the point which is 90 degrees divided by k plus d, and the value will be A plus C. So that is one particular answer. Now at times, we could also ask you to write down a general solution, right? As I was saying, general solution will be to replace 90 degrees by 360 degrees times n, where n is an integer. Perfect. So in that case, you can solve the equation k x minus d equals to 90 degrees plus 360 n, right? Where n belongs to integers. You can write with z or I as you wish. Now solving this, we get x minus d equals to 90 plus 360n divide by k plus d, we'll do the next step. X is equals to 90 plus 360 n divided by k plus d. Is it okay? Where n is an integer, okay? So that could be your general solution. And coordinate point we could write as, this is the x value, 90 plus 360n over k plus d. The y value, of course, will be a plus c. Is it okay? So that is how you could actually solve this question. I hope you appreciate it. I'm Anil Kumar. Feel free to post questions and your suggestions. Thank you and all the best.